So today has been officially 2 years since I quit my 9-to-5 job. Wow, guys, I seriously still can't believe I've been able to go to school, become an electrical engineer, get my dream job, right? As an engineer, I was so excited to get that dream job, but then I was at this job and I was not happy, right? So I started on this path to leaving my 9-to-5 job. And then I was able to quit my 9-to-5 job within 9 months of starting this online business. And I quit my job in about March of 2020. In this video, I want to talk about my journey leading up to quitting my job, to starting my business, before I started that, and kind of the journey after I started my 9-to-5 job. I really want to make this video for those who are striving to quit their jobs and kind of the mindset that I was in when I was going through this journey, because it's been a difficult journey trying to quit my 9-to-5 job. And I just want you guys to understand kind of the mentality you need to be able to do that. Now, guys, if you are brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles. And the purpose of this channel is to help you build a full-time passive income business so you can achieve financial and time freedom and get out of your 9-to-5 job. So if you're interested in learning more, please subscribe to my channel, guys, because I'm coming out with videos every single day. Alrighty, guys, so first I just want to talk about after I quit my job, what did I do, right? So I went all in with my affiliate marketing business. Since then, I went ahead and created my own courses, my own programs. I won a 2 comma award, which is absolutely insane, basically for making over $1 million with ClickFunnels in my own program, which is just absolutely insane, right? But before that, how did I get out of my job, right? But I know most of you guys are still at your 9-to-5 job and you want to be able to get out of that, right? How do we do that while we're still working 40, 50, even 60-hour a week job? And I kind of want to explain what I did in my journey as I went through this, okay? Now, just bringing it back a little bit, all right? Before I even, started this online journey, I actually did a lot of things before I got into affiliate marketing. All right. So before I did that, I built my own Shopify store. I did Amazon FBA. I would do eBay drop shipping, where you can literally buy things on Walmart and then you drop ship on eBay. Okay. I've done YouTube faceless videos like way back in the day, literally everything you could think of: Forex, crypto, MLM, Herbalife, Amway. I've been in so many businesses for the past 10 years. And this was before starting my affiliate marketing business. Now, the reason I mention this is because a lot of people have also tried a lot of things as well. They probably didn't work, right? Because you're probably still watching this video. I'm like, I've tried all these things and it's not working, okay? I would say most of those things are legit. Most of those things you're gonna make money, or you can make, people are making millions of dollars with these things that I failed at personally, okay? But the reason why I failed was because I was doing these things just to try to get rich quick, right? Or try to make a lot of money very quickly instead of trying to kind of build this business out for the long term. I think that was kind of the main reason why I never succeeded in things like e-commerce, because I didn't have my mindset right. I really want to help you guys get out of your 9-to-5 job, but the first thing you got to fix is your mindset, because you got to pick a strategy that works and you believe it works, but you have to kind of give it that long-term mindset, okay? So for example, I teach affiliate marketing, right? I help people get out of their 9-to-5 jobs with affiliate marketing. The biggest thing I see and why people fail is because they literally give up way too easy, right? And I'm talking about, I've seen people give up in the first few weeks, right? I always tell people, give it at least 6 months, even a year, before you see any type of results, because you have to learn the skills, you have to learn the technical part, you have to learn copywriting aspect, right? All these skills that go into building a long-term business. This is something that I didn't have as I was building these other businesses, is I didn't have that long-term mentality to stick it through, right? If it didn't work in a couple months, I was out, right? So I lost a lot of money doing things that totally my fault, right? I don't blame those business models. I don't blame those courses that I bought and didn't work. It was all me, right? So you have to kind of switch that mindset into like, this is gonna work for me. I just got to give it time. I got to stay consistent with it, and I got to be here for the next 2, 3, 5 years, okay? Because I'm going to tell you one thing. When I started this online business, I remember starting with a ton of people. I'm not going to name names, but there's a ton of people that, were super hyped. We started around the same time, kind of like my class. We're going to quit our jobs. We're going to do this. I met a lot of these people at Funnel Hacking Live events and, Zoom calls. And, they were my group of people. Since then, since I started with them in May of 2019, I would say a group of around, let's just say 30 people. So 25 dropped and failed and 5 continue to stay on the path, okay? Why is that, right? First of all, is I just wanted it so bad. I wanted to quit my 9-to-5 job and wanted that financial and time freedom. But guys gotta understand that it's hard to get there, okay? It's not like I was just there overnight. I would wake up every single morning before work, okay? 3:30 a.m. and I would create videos every single day. Now go back to my old videos. They're not very good, guys. Like, I mean, I would literally just get up and just throw a video out there, right? I was just trying to get better and I was consistent, you know, no matter what, I had to create a video and I was tired. My daughter was just born. I was working as an engineer, working 50, 60 hours a week. It was really tiring. Like there was some days where I didn't get much sleep, right? And I'm not saying you have to do that, but I wanted it so bad. I would get up and do these things because I wanted that time and financial freedom. That being said, looking back, yes, it was hard, but my life right now is just absolutely amazing. I get up when I want, I do what I want when I want to do it, and it's just amazing. But I had to go through that phase of, am I ever gonna get there, right? Like I'm doing all these YouTube videos, I'm learning all these things, I'm taking these courses, but am I ever gonna get there, right? And that's one thing that you guys need to understand is like, I was willing to continue creating videos no matter what. I was able to quit my 9-to-5 job in 9 months, but I was willing to do this for 5-10 years because I wanted that. I wanted that so bad, and I wasn't gonna just do one thing and then skip to the next one, okay? Once I picked affiliate marketing, I was like, okay, this is the thing. I'm not gonna stray. I'm not gonna have shiny object syndrome. I'm gonna stick with this. I'm gonna get really good at this. I have to be successful with this. And I switched my mindset. Instead of when I started my e-commerce business, I was like, okay, if this doesn't work, that's fine. I'll do the next thing, right? No, I burned the bridges. I said, I have to be good at this. I have to become an expert. I have to buy courses, watch YouTube videos, hire mentors, whatever you can do, right? Whatever you can do in your position, you need to do so you can get the results faster. Now, that being said, that is part of the reason why I was able to get there quicker, because I did invest in multiple online courses, multiple mentors. I did spend around $40,000 to do that. Now, that being said, you don't have to spend money to get the result, right? It's just gonna take longer, right? I wanted it quickly. I wanted it so bad that I was willing to go in debt to learn these skills, okay? Not financial advice. I wouldn't do it. I would say that most people shouldn't do that, right? Because you might go in debt and you may be financially stressed out, and that could be a bad thing, right? So don't do that if it's not you, right? For me, do what's best for you. I just know that I want it so bad, and I was willing to buy multiple courses, hire multiple mentors to get there quicker, okay? That being said, the only thing that you need to be successful and to quit your 9-to-5 job is just having that long-term mindset and staying consistent. That's like the biggest thing, okay? And I really can't teach that to everyone, okay? It's hard. I can tell you guys, but not everyone's gonna follow that because it's really hard to do, like really, really hard, okay? My best students, I mean, you look at the Facebook group and we have testimonial after testimonial after testimonial of people, you know, quitting their jobs, getting their first $1,000 commission. But what you don't see is all the consistency that they did to get to that point, okay? I think I have the best program in the world when it comes to teaching affiliate marketing. That being said, a lot of people still quit. A lot of people still fail because they give up on themselves, okay? So I'm just being 100% transparent. That's what I see after coaching almost 30,000 students at this point. People are kind of like their own destruction, right? They're so excited and I see it, right? They're like, I can't wait to quit my job. And then a couple weeks later, they're like, I'm out, right? You'll never quit that job if you have that mindset. So guys, I just really want to kind of give you the actual, like, what you're going to go through as you go through this, right? It sucks. Like, I'm not going to lie. It sucked getting up at 3:30 when I had 4 hours of sleep with my daughter crying and things happening at work and with my business, and ClickFunnels shut me down. I had TikTok shut me down for a bit. I had even YouTube shut one of my videos down. Just little things like that, right? And they're going to happen, and you just have to realize that you have to pivot, right? And keep going forward, okay? You want to continue that ultimate goal. Now, that's why I created this shirt, right? If it doesn't break you, you break through, right? Because there was so many times where I wanted to break down, I wanted to stop. That's the main reason I created Freedom Breakthrough, because I know people want freedom and I know people want that breakthrough, but if it breaks you, you're not going to break through. If you get broken by this online game, this business world, then you're never going to see success. And that's kind of the main thing I want you guys to understand. So anyways, guys, I hope this video was of value. I do want to create more videos like this where I talk about the journey. I talk about the things that you actually need to see success, okay? I think it's so many tutorials on the tactical part of it, and those are big, right? I know a lot of people love my how-to videos, but I also want to talk about the mindset that basically I needed to quit my 9-to-5 job. So I hope this video was of value. If you made it to the end of this video, then thank you guys so much. Type in hashtag financial freedom. That shows that you watched the end of this video, and I know you're serious. So thank you guys so much. Please subscribe to this channel if you found any value at all. We'll see you guys on the next video. God bless.